Hello and welcome to my channel, guys. Today I am gonna show you how to install VPN in Windows 7, 8, 10, 11. Let's get started. First open Google Chrome and search Web Store. Click on this. Go to search and type Browse VPN. Click on this. I have already installed, so first I am gonna remove this. So click on Add to Chrome. Add extension. Wait for a second. Click on Extension, go to Browse VPN. Now click on Start and your VPN is connected. Thanks for watching video, hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I need your support, guys.